The three elements that need to be paid attention to when choosing white grey ball press. 1. Because of the different size of pellet, the required pressure is also different. According to the situation, we should try to choose the molding machine with adjustable forming pressure. 2. The core of white and grey ball press equipment is the forming machine, and the key component that affects the working efficiency of the forming machine is the ball press roller. The blank of the ball roll is divided into the hole forging and casting. The density of the forging is small. The structure is rough, tight structure, good wear resistance, long life, good ball groove processing technology, suitable material variety, and reliable operation, mostly used for medium and high pressure, large molding machine, but high cost. After the improvement of manufacturing process, the current equipment replacement and maintenance is more convenient, reducing the difficulty of user maintenance. 3. The balls produced also need to be dried before they can be sold or used. The current use situation is a vertical dryer or flip plate drying equipment with high efficiency and easy use.